Hey guys, so let's talk about a new problem in recursion, which is called combination sum 1. So we will see this kind of problem. So there is one problem, combination sum 1 and combination sum 2. Okay, so in combination sum, what happens? You would be given one integer array, let's say 2, 3, 6, 7, and one target, means target sum like 7. Okay, so you need to find combination of the elements which form whose summation is 7. So for example, in this array I can see if I take 2, 2, 3, this is one combination, and second is if I take 7. Okay, so you can take elements multiple times. Okay, and so this is called combination 1. And in combination 2, what will happen? You can take one element one time only. Okay, so only unique elements. Yeah, but if you, let's say you have one more element here too, so you can take this 2 times because both element is coming once only. Okay, so this is called combination sum. Now let's say if I wanted to find the combination sum, what approach I will use, right? So if this is my integer array 2, 3, 6, 7, so see what choices I have. I can pick this 2, or I can not pick this 2. If I don't pick this 2, then I have to pick this 3, 6, 7. Okay, one among this 3, 6, 7. Now after picking 2, I have combination sum is 7, so I wanted to form 7. So if I pick 2, okay, so what will be my remaining sum? It will be 5. Now again here I have two choices. Either I will again pick 2, or I will pick 3, 6, 7. Okay, so if I pick this 2, then my sum will be 3. Okay, and then after that, if I pick again 2, or I can pick 3, 6, 7. Okay, now if I pick again 2, then my sum will remain 1. Okay, and or I can pick 3, 6, 7. Okay, now here I cannot pick again 2 because my sum is 1 and the element is greater than 2. So what I need to do, I need to backtrack here. Okay, and how I can, not here actually, I have not choose this one, so I need to backtrack here. Okay, and how can I backtrack? Whatever 2 I have added in my answer, I will remove that, right? Then I will be at this position. So here if you see, currently I have, if I form a result, okay, so see I pick 2 here. Okay, then after that I pick 2 here. Okay, then so this one I cannot pick because after that it is a dead end. Okay, so actually I can pick here also 3, 6, 7, and if you try again, you need 1 and it is 3, 6, 7. It is all elements are greater than the remaining sum, right? So I will backtrack. So if I come here, then after that I will have these 3 choices. Okay, again if you start, so here you will be remaining 3. Okay, the sum will be 3. So if you pick 3 from here, so your sum will remain 0, and otherwise you have choice to pick 6 or 7. Okay, so now here 0 came, right? So you will first print this path. So 3 will be added here. So this will be your one sum. Okay, and then if you go further, and if you try for this one, for this one, at the end you will find for 7 also, you will find the target sum, combination sum 7. Okay, so this is the approach, and it's only 2-line code. Okay, for recursion and backtracking. So let's see the code now. Okay, and whatever I explained you, right, you can see with this diagram also. See, initially your sum is you pick the 0th index. Okay, initially you pick the 0th index and your sum is 7. Okay, and your result array is empty. Now you pick 2, so your remaining sum will be 5, and in result array 2 will come, right? After that again if you pick 2, so your remaining sum will be 3, and in your resultant array 2, 2 the value will be. Okay, and then again if you pick 2, so your remaining sum will become 1, and 2, 2, 2 will be your resultant. Now here you cannot pick 2 because 2 is greater than 1 remaining sum, right? And if you don't pick 2, then you will pick 1, right? You will try with 1, you will try with 3. Okay, 1 by 1. So if you try with 1, okay, so it will be dead end. Currently this actually here not pick, so the index will be 1 and remaining sum will be 1. Okay, so index will be 1, so on first index you have 3, so that will be a dead end because you need 1 and you got 3, right? And same for different indexes you will check, so you will get dead end there. Okay, after that but here you will get your sum, and then if you pick here 2, and if you not pick 2, then you will definitely pick index 1, after that index 2, after that index 3. Okay, that is not an element, that is an index. So now let's see what is the code. So code is very simple. See, you will create one So this combination sum would be given to you, okay, which will take so array of integer and target will be given to you. You need to return list of integer. Why list of integer? Because let's say 2 to 3 is your one answer, so that is a list, and then 7 is your next answer. So you will store this multiple list inside a list of list, right? And then you will create one answer array, your result array, okay, and then you will call this helper function. Initially your index will be 0, array will be same, target will be whatever is remaining, and then your new array list where you will store that result, just one list, and then answer will be the one list of list, okay. Now, inside a helper function, you will directly check if your index is equal to array length, then that will be your base condition, and if your target is equal to 0, then you will add that particular current. So current is your list of integer, okay. You will add that current into the answer and return from there. If it is not there, you will check this array of index is less than equal to target. Why? Because see, if remaining is 1, okay, remaining is 1, and your array of index is 2, then you cannot add that. So this one you need to so this one will be your pick condition. So here if this condition is true, then you will add that particular index in your current, okay. You will again call this helper function, but this time your target will be target minus array of index, because you pick that array of index, right? So your target will change. And then once it is done, you need to backtrack, right? So you will remove current dot remove your current size minus 1, last element which you just added, okay. After this you will call this so this one was the condition of pick. If non-pick, then in that case you simply just add index plus 1, okay, instead of index plus 1, and that's it, and everything will be same. So that's it. Thank you.